Student, this is one question that I've taken from the chapter percentage, and this week we'll be discussing the word problems related to percentage. So the question is like this: Sonali did not go to school for 60 working days as she was ill. If her attendance was 75% of the working days, for how many days did the school work? Now in this question there is only two information that is given to us. That is the number of working days for which Sonali hasn't gone for work, and the attendance of Sonali in terms of percentage. And that too they have given as 75% of the working days. And in the end of the question, they are asking us about the number of working days for which the school has worked. So I have assumed the number of working days as X. So let the number of days the school work be X. So the attendance of Sonali will be how much? 75% of X. 75% of X means that we are going to change this percentage into fraction. It can be written as 75 upon 100 and into X. On reducing, you will be getting as 3x by 4. Now there is a simple equation that I have prepared over here. And that is, if from the total number of working days, I am going to remove the attendance of Sonali, I can get the number of days for which Sonali was absent. So this equation I have framed total number of working days minus attendance of Sonali. That will give us the value equal to the number of days Sonali was absent. So total number of working days I have already assumed it as X. Attendance of Sonali I have taken out over here as 3x by 4. And the number of days for which Sonali was absent, that was equal to 60. On substituting the value in this equation that I have prepared, I can find out the total number of working days. So on taking the LCM as 4, this will come out to be 4x minus 3x equal to 60. And 4x minus 3x will give us x by 4 equal to 60. And x on cross multiplying this 4 with 60 will give us the value as 240 days. That means the total number of working days for which the school has worked is 240 days. This is one more question that I have taken as an example to explain you the word problem related to percentage. And the question is, a number decreased by 23% becomes 539. We have to find out the number. So I've taken the number b as x. So I've written let the number be x. Then after that, because this number which I've assumed it as x is decreased 23%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to frame an equation again in which I'm going to take the original number as x, and because decrease is given, so I'll put the subtraction sign over here. Then because this number was decreased 23%, so I'm going to take out 23% of that same number, that is x, and on subtracting these two values, that will give us the answer as 539. This is what the question is given over here. So on further changing this 23% into fraction, it can be written as x as it is minus 23% will be 23 upon 100 of means into x equal to 539. This will be x minus 23x upon 100 equal to 539. Then on taking out the LCM as 100, this will give us the value in the numerator as 100x minus 23x equal to 539. On cross multiplying and on further solving, you will be getting in the numerator as 77x upon 100 equal to 539. Then on cross multiplying, this will be 77x is equal to 539 into 100. And then finally, the value of x will be equal to, on bringing this 77 in the denominator part, that will be equal to x equal to 539 into 100 upon 77. On cancelling, you will be getting the result as x is equal to 700. That means the original number was 700, and when that number was decreased 23%, then it has become 539. So 700 will be the original number.